this new YouTube feature is I don't know what is going on. It's not really helping matters at all because I just got reinstated in my live stream. That means I was reinstated last month. Now I'm going to be sharing a backstory of what happened. What happened was that I went live using Restream and I used my daughter's video during that Restream. So by the time I uploaded that video, it was not up to 2 minutes. YouTube removed that video immediately. And out of shock, I deleted the video. So I was not even able to appeal on that video or even try to make my statement known or what have you. I was not able to appeal on that video at all. I had to try my very possible best to contact YouTube, which I was not able to get to them. I was seeing so many email addresses that was not originally contacts of YouTube or emails of YouTube. So what I discovered when I was doing my research was that if you're not monetized, you cannot get direct access to YouTube customer service. Yes, and that's got me thinking how in future when I have any issues like this, how will I be able to contact YouTube? I don't know. YouTube need to do something about this for creators that are not yet monetized, creators that are coming up. What do you think? Put it in the comment below if you are facing any challenge on YouTube and you are desperately trying to contact them. What do you think that should be done? What do you think YouTube should do to this? Now, when I just had to give up on that. I just had to give up when I could not contact YouTube because so many of my community have been asking me how I was able to get reinstated. Sincerely, I did not do anything out of the ordinary. I did not do anything. I only make sure that I kept uploading my normal video, my short video, and I did not violate any law. I did not switch because I have 2 YouTube accounts. I did not even switch my account during that period to even say I want to use my second account to go live. I did not do that because that is going to even stir up more controversy and suspicion to my account because let me tell you something, YouTube is linked. They know the account that you have. They know, I mean, if you have 10 accounts, they know. Do you understand? They know the account. So what I just did was that I just stick to my main account. That's this account and I continue uploading. But I noticed something recently that really shocked me. This one, I don't understand what's going on. So when the first time after 22 days, let me tell you how I was reinstated. After 22 days, I just said, okay, let me check if I can go live. I checked and I could go live. Congratulations to me. So I decided to schedule a live video that I would do with my community. So I did that. I'm going to share my screen with you and see and show you the analytics of that live video. My screen is recording now. So I was able to go live. Look at what happened here. I was able to go live. Let's go to my live videos. I was able to go live. Look at that is 2 weeks ago. So I was able to go live and I went live and I stayed for close to an hour and 20 minutes, an hour and 19 minutes. Fine. It took a lot of time. It took up to 2 days for this live for YouTube to upload this live to my channel. And now as you can see, the live has 90 views. And then announced I said, okay, I was going to do another live streaming, but I wanted to use Restream. I wanted to do a tutorial on Restream and show my community. I did a video on that on my channel. So this is the tutorial of the Restream up here. That's 9 days ago. This Restream tutorial, I left this thing to play and loop for more than 50 something minutes. But as you can see, what YouTube uploaded for me, YouTube uploaded 8 minutes, 40 seconds. I don't know why. Till today, I don't still know why this is happening. If you people have any idea why this is happening, then I think I have a live highlight from this, my previous live. I have a live highlight. Let me go to my main channel. You are going to see the live highlights here. Look at my live highlights here. Look at it here. This was my live highlight. This was my live highlight. You can see this is live highlight that YouTube removed from my live video. That is the long one that I did. And now when I was reading the community guideline for this live streaming, they said your live streaming have to go beyond 30 minutes to 12 hours so that they can be able to remove the live highlights. Now, The life I did on Tuesday, I'm going to be putting the dates in the caption in this video. I'm going to put in the dates for that Tuesday. This is the life I did one day ago. That's Tuesday, yeah. Today is Thursday. So I noticed that the life was 2 minutes and 46 seconds, which is not supposed to be like this. I went live for more than 46 to 47 minutes. And this is what YouTube uploaded for me. And that means I passed the threshold for live highlights. So even everything I said in this live is gone. Like I cannot, just 2 minutes and 46 seconds. I don't know why this is happening. You know, this new live streaming that YouTube rolled out for live highlights and all that is a new feature that YouTube brought into play just last month. And I don't know, maybe it's technical error or there's something wrong why my life was not uploaded completely. I don't know why, but these new features are just like YouTube is still testing them. YouTube is still trying to test them. I don't know why my own is like this, why my life was not completed. I don't know, because I went live for 46 minutes, but I'm seeing 2 minutes and 46 seconds. That's what I'm seeing here, but I don't know why it's like that. I am a YouTube coach, but still, I don't have all the answers. I will not lie to you. I don't know why this was like this. Okay, in the time that I was doing this live, in these 2 minutes and 46 seconds, I noticed that there was a role in my life, like my network was trying to come back. My network ceased and was trying to come back. I think maybe that was the time that YouTube ended this live at the background end, or maybe in their software. Then me, I was still going live and live, and I ended the live. When I entered the live for 6 minutes, it showed me my analytics and everything. I wish I screenshotted the analytics. But now YouTube only uploaded 2 minutes and 46 seconds. I don't know why. Because this live streaming is good for small creators so that you can be able to get watch hour. Now, if I am going live and in my mind I'm already thinking that I've gone live for 1 hour and then YouTube just upload 30 minutes, that is just a waste of time, waste of data, waste of resources. See, I don't know if YouTube is broken. I don't know what's going on in their back end, but I cannot contact YouTube, and that is the truth. So we small creators that cannot contact YouTube, how are we going to make this complaint? How are we going to solve this? Do you understand? I don't know how I'm going to do it. Maybe I'll just have to go live again. Do you see that these are the specs of being a content creator? It's very hard. It's very, very hard. Okay, that's just it for this video, because I don't know what I'm going to do right now, but this is just it. I don't know if YouTube is broken. I don't know if the live streaming, they are still working on it. Time will tell. But if you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up, like and share this video. My name is Blessing. I help grow it. I help new and small content creators grow their YouTube channel, mistakes to avoid, and everything that's working on my channel and how it can also work for your own channel. Now subscribe to my channel, and I'll be seeing you in my next video.